Hi, Juan Hernandez once again here from Dominican Republic and What is Ideas. Everyone that has a JJRC H36 sooner or later is going to have the problem where the engines are going to break off because there's only 3 little things holding it, and this little drone lands. When it lands on the engine. So one of my engines came out 2 times. This one I glued it on once, broke again. I glued it on again, broke again. So I invented the What is Ideas JJRC H36 landing legs. This is a paper clip, a small paper clip that I grabbed, 2 small paper clips, and I opened it up and I made it, like that, a little square, and I glued it on to here with crazy glue, and I did the same thing on the other side. Then I took a Q-tip for the ears, I cut it in half, took the white stuff off, and I made these little supports here. You can see it. And I'm gonna fly it now and show you guys how strong it is. This thing really holds on really good, really good. It holds on perfect. And the engines don't suffer. So anyone that has the same problems, you can use the ideas. It works, man, believe me, guys. And it keeps your engines 1 inch away, close to 1 inch away from the ground. So there's no way where when you land your drone, it's not gonna crash. See, the engines don't crash. So I hope you like the idea. What is Ideas? I got you guys here. I love you, okay? I'm gonna try out the landing gears now. See how I'm gonna drop it on purpose. See what happens, okay, guys? Can't fly unless you plug it in. There you go. Still in one piece. Let's give it another flight. There you go, guys. Stay still there. Sturdy. Those are the landing gears, the JJRC H36, What is Ideas landing gears. I got you guys here. Hope you like it, man.